I'm Sherri with HomeShow Garden Pros, and anybody who listens to the show knows I love my tomatoes. Kind of addicted to them. I'm here with Bob today from Coast of Maine,
Great.
and we are going to help you have success with tomatoes, but it all begins with the soil.
It does, absolutely.
And Coast of Maine, of course, we always talk about, you know, all the amazing things in your soils. What makes this tomato and veg soil different than other ones out there?
Yeah, so formulated very specifically for that particular growing plant. So as we all know, tomatoes are heavy feeders. They need to have that nutrient in there to be able to support that growth and get a proper yield out of that. So we've got a formulation in here with our compost blend that is going to include some of that crab and shell meal in there, crab and lobster meal in there. That allows it to protect it a little bit more from pest and disease, but also gives it that nutrient kick as well as the calcium that you need to make sure that you don't have that end result of blossom end rot, which is never fun. And then if you can top that off again with our quaddy blend with an additional component with that lobster and crab compost, now again you've given more nutrient to help feed that plant. They just have to have the nutrient in order to be able to produce. That's a lot of folks will think, hey, I can plant the tomato, I'll water it, and I'm off and running. But they gotta have something to feed off of, otherwise you're not gonna get the results.
Right. So once again, Coast of Maine, dynamic duo right here. Get you going and you'll have amazing tomatoes. So soil and timing, and those are the two most important things.